my friends out there in YouTube. Welcome back to the shit show that I affectionately call Goofy Bastard, which is me. So, today, are masks still really relevant? Roll that intro. Okay, so, masks. Are they relevant anymore? Do people still wear them? I need to know. Now, as I'm recording this video, it is a beautiful, like 71 degrees out here on my way home from work in the morning. 6:15 or so. It's fucking gorgeous out here right now. I wish every day could be just like this one. But it's going to be close to 100 today. But anyway, just like I say, by the time you see this video, this event would have already happened, so it's kind of a moot point, but I'm going to talk about it anyway. Masks. Are they still a thing? So, this upcoming weekend, I am going to my first concert since I contracted COVID at a concert. I went to a concert back in September 2021, and lo and behold, I didn't wear a mask and I got COVID. Now, you know, I haven't been wearing a mask for the most part recently. Now, it's going to be me and my son going, and while I haven't been to a concert recently since COVID, I have been to a couple events. One event was a hockey game, which I did wear a mask. I took it off to eat, take a couple pictures, but other than that, I did wear a mask, and it really wasn't, like, it wasn't crowded. There wasn't a lot of people around us, but I wore a mask anyway. The second event I've been to was, I went to a NASCAR race. Me and my son went up to Pocono for the race. Now, obviously, this is an outdoor event. I did not wear a mask, and I'm fine. I did not wear a mask at all that day. I didn't even bring one with me. So, but again, the row in front of us was empty. We knew the people that we were sitting with in our row, basically. But I don't know. My son has been to multiple concerts, and the concert in question that I did get COVID from, he wore a mask and he was fine. So I'm kind of apprehensive about not wearing a mask because of my past experience. So I'm, you can give me your opinion, but like I said, by the time you guys see this video, the concert is going to be long past, because it's probably not going to be out for a week or two. So, you know, like I said, I'm just spitballing here. But I will come back and I will let you know what I did, whether or not I wore the mask or whether or not I didn't wear a mask, and the results of either one of them. You know, if I happen to get COVID again, which would be fucked up, because if I get COVID again from a concert, dude, I'm fucking done with concerts. I'll never go to another concert. So, and I really hope the hell that doesn't happen, because I enjoy going to concerts, and it's one of the things I missed when the pandemic hit, because I had 3 or 4 shows to go to in 2020 when the pandemic hit, and they all got fucking canceled. So, yeah.
One eternity later.
Good morning, my friends out there in YouTube. So, it's been a few days. It's actually been almost a week since I recorded the previous part. And I did go to the concert. Now, my son bought these tickets, and when he originally bought these tickets, I don't think he had me in mind to go with him. These are bands that he listens to. I know of them. I don't know a lot of their music, and they're really not on any of my playlists. But we went to go see Bad Omens, The Ghost Inside, and A Day to Remember. Now, I knew one or two songs from A Day to Remember, but that was, and I heard of Bad Omens. I've heard a couple of their songs on satellite radio. So we went to the concert. Now, let me preface this whole thing by saying, as I said before, the last concert I went to, I contracted COVID from it. I didn't wear a mask at that last concert. And by that last concert was on a Saturday night, and by Tuesday I had already started showing symptoms. So I can happily say that it's been 4 or 5 days since the concert, and I am not showing any symptoms of COVID, which is good, which means I can still go to concerts. Now, that being said, I did wear a mask. That was my decision because I did have some fears of contracting COVID again through a concert. So we sat, anybody who, well, if you're from around my area and you ever been to the Santander Arena, we sat in, what's up, bro? We sat in the players bench, like literally in the players bench. They still had the boards. It's a hockey rink. They still had the boards around. They didn't pull them out, so we like actually sat on the players bench, and it was tight in there. You were pretty much so nuts to butts with everybody. We weren't in the pit, but we were in the bench area. So I did wear a mask. I was in close contact with people, and I didn't contract COVID, which is like the best. So it was a good time. I really enjoyed the show. It was a little different for me. Surprisingly, like most of the concerts I go to are for, you know, heavy metal or rock or, you know, whatever, and it seems like there's more of a male population in the concert versus a female population. Well, this one, it seemed like it was more females in the building than males. In all reality, in all honesty, I thought I was like at a fucking Backstreet Boy concert for a minute there. So yeah, it's like I was really shocked at that, because, you know, these bands are harder. I guess the genre, my son said it was pop punk. I also looked it up. It could be metalcore, but I was just kind of surprised that there were as many females as there were there, because the shows we go to, we're used to seeing more males. And the one thing I did see was during one of the songs, the band had talked about crowd surfing a crowd surfer. This is the first time I've seen this, where somebody surfing the crowd, you get on top of them and stand on them and surf them while they're surfing the crowd. It's pretty fucking wild. And surprisingly, I was really surprised that nobody fell and fucking cracked their head open. But yeah, that was pretty interesting. There was some dude there dressed up as Spider-Man, running around, jumping around, having a good time. So yeah, overall it was fun. It was a good time. I got to spend time with my son, which I always enjoy and I always love, and blah blah blah. I mean, it's happy again, but that was something that's always special to me. But like I said, it was just a different experience for me to see that type of stuff go on. So it was a good time, and I didn't get COVID. So I do have another concert scheduled in September, and I'm going to play it by ear. Who knows? Maybe I will wear a mask, maybe I won't. So we'll see how that goes. So anyway, right here is where I'm going to leave you fine people out there in the YouTubes. You know I love all you guys, right? So anyway, my friends, until next time, don't forget to wear a mask to a concert so you don't get COVID. But until next time, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.